Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iPhone 6 Plus smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change ringtone in your phone iPhone 6 Plus. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to sounds and here select ringtone. By default, it is set to this ringtone opening. And now you can select another one. I am selecting other tones. From the available list, you can select any tone here. And then go back. Just go back. Now the selected tone is activated. In this way, you can easily change ringtone to any tone available with your phone. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.